upside down.
Today we're going to show you how to change the headlight on a 76 Dodge D100 pickup truck. And he's going to do it all. Alright, so the first thing you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Here you go. So this headlight ring is basically covering there's a ring right here that holds the headlight on. We have to take this ring off to get to the screws that hold that ring on, which is what's holding the headlight. Now be careful because this wants to fall out. Just grab it. There you go. I'll set it up here. Okay, now you see the other screws? See how there's two? And you see a screwdriver? Okay, this one right here, these ones, what they do is they adjust the beam. How the beam, so if when you're looking out at nighttime, if the headlight's pointing too far low, you have to adjust it to bring it up. Yep, all three of those. The other one, see this one right here, where the trim ring is? That's the one you want to loosen. You don't want to take them out, you're just going to loosen it. So you loosen it, about that much, and that's it. Okay. And the top one already fell off. So you can pull the screwdriver out. So now what you do is you rotate it like that, and this comes off. Okay. Now we're going to pull the headlight out because that's all that was holding it in. And the cable's not long enough. Okay, we're going to have to pop the hood. Okay, yep. So now you want to unplug that. It's going to be kind of hard to get off. And you want to make sure you hold the light so it doesn't fall out and break. Okay, now move to the next one. You want to do a little bit on each one.
To not crack it?
Right. And so it doesn't pull at an angle. So if you do a little bit on each one at a time, it'll move a little bit, then a little bit, then a little bit, and eventually it'll come off. It's on there good. Ooh, you got it, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, now pull the headlight out. Woohoo! Ta-da! $13.50 a piece. So 27 bucks for two. That's not including tax. And the part number for this truck, this is actually a large headlight. These wouldn't fit like a Roadrunner or a Charger. Like vans and trucks use these larger headlights. Anyway, this is an H6024. Be careful taking it out. These go in a certain way. Do you remember? Mm-hmm. Which way do they go in? Up. How do you know? Yeah, because this was on the top. Right. The other thing, you see these shapes right here? Mm-hmm. These pieces right here that you see on the bulb, those go into that shape. And so if you have it in there crooked, it's not gonna go in all the way. The only way it goes in all the way is when you face it the proper direction. Here, hold that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is put that back in, and then we're gonna put the trim ring on it to hold it in place. Can you feel that? Feel how it's tight? Can't rotate it. It's in there the proper way, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, do you see how this has a bigger hole and a small hole? So you put it through the big hole first. Oops. There. And then you rotate it. I need to loosen this one because I don't think we ever loosened it because it just popped off. Okay, that one's on. This one is not.
And the other one is way over there.
Let's see. Oh, then we have it on wrong. Rotate it again. That's way off. Rotate again. And now it lines up. So if you're off like that, you just keep rotating it until it makes sense. Down grab. Okay, tighten them up. Keep going. You might have to flex those a little bit so that they all get started at the same time. Got it?
It's going in more.
Perfect. Sounds like you got it. Pull it out. Works. And the other one's broken. Because I messed with it. Okay, you can shut it off. No. Rotate it back how you had it. Oh, I guess you do have it right. That might be as tight as it gets, but okay. Other side.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what broke. I barely touched it too. Okay, now we have to pull that out. I was gonna keep that headlight as a backup spare, but since it broke, push in as hard as you can. Okay. Looks like it broke. See how that was tack welded together and then somebody glued it. It broke. All right, so since this ring is broken, let's go pull it off the parts truck. You know which one?
Not at all.
You look like you knew where you're going.
No, not at all.
Well, you did a good job faking it. It's right there. That's the parts truck. Wow, you got it out quick.
Yeah, because there's only one screw in it.
Oh. Both working.
Yeah.
Good job. And since you did all the work for this video, whatever money this video makes is yours.